In this video, we are going to see 5 amazing Python tips that will help you to make your coding more efficient and enhance your knowledge. So let's get started. So suppose you are given a list and your job is to find the maximum element and the minimum element in this list. And here, what many coders do, they try to use so many for loops for this. But there's a better way to do this. Instead of using any for loops, there are two functions already present in Python called minimum and maximum function. Let's name the variable as maximum. All you have to do, you have to write is max, and then you can give your list as the argument. Now let's do the same for minimum. First create a variable minimum, and then I can write min, and then I can give a here. And now let's print maximum and minimum and run this code. And as you can see, 876 is the largest element in this list and 1 is the smallest. Let's move on to the next step. So here I have a string and a list. And now if I say to you, we want to reverse this string and this list and print the result. So many beginner coders try to reverse this by using for loops. But there's a better way to do this. Here I can just directly print the result, because there's a shortcut in Python for reversing this. Here our string name was s, and now I can write colon colon minus 1 in square bracket, and this will reverse the string, and it's also going to work for list as well. Let me show you the results. And as you can see, we have easily reversed our list and the string in just one line. Let's move on to the next step. So here, suppose you are given a list. You want to sort this list. Then in Python, instead of using any for loops, there's already a built-in function called sort, and you can just write name dot sort, and that's it. Now when you print this list, it will be sorted, and as you can see, the list is completely sorted. Let's move on to the next step. So here you are given a list, and you want to find the occurrence of a certain element in this list. For example, I want to find how many times to have occurred. Then, instead of using any for loops and creating count variables like this, there's a built-in function in Python called count. You can just write print list name and then count. And here I want to find the count of 2, as I said earlier. And as you can see, 2 has occurred 4 times. Isn't coding pretty easy? Let's move on to the next step. So here I want to remove duplicate elements from this list. Then I can use the set function. First I will create a temporary variable s, and then I can write set and then give list as our argument. And now when you try to print this set, it's sure that every duplicate element will be removed. But the problem is it's in set and we want it in list. Then you can use typecasting here by writing list and make sure to put this in braces. Let's run this code, and now we have got our desired output.